In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Metatrader 5 demo account on phone. If you're brand new to MT5 or you simply want a risk-free space to practice strategies, a demo account lets you trade with virtual funds while experiencing the full platform. Grab your phone, make sure you have a steady internet connection, and open the Metatrader 5 app. To reach the account setup screen, Android users can open the side menu and tap Manage Accounts. On iPhone, head to Settings. From there, choose New Account or the plus icon to add an account. On the next screen, select Open a Demo Account. This tells the app you want a practice account rather than a live, real money login. Next, pick the broker and server you want to use. Use the search bar to type the broker's name and then choose one of their demo servers. If you see multiple servers, select the one clearly labeled Demo. If your broker doesn't appear right away, try entering the full name and check your spelling. Most reputable providers offer public demo servers, and the MetaTrader search will usually find them. Now fill in your details. Enter your name and contact information, such as your phone number and email, exactly as you want them on the account profile. Then choose the account type, leverage, and the virtual deposit amount. Account type determines the instruments and pricing your demo will mirror. Leverage affects how large a position you can control relative to your balance. Higher leverage magnifies both gains and losses, so select a level that matches how you plan to practice. The deposit amount is simply your starting virtual balance. Pick a figure that resembles what you might use later so your practice feels realistic. When everything looks good, tap Register. MT5 will create the demo account and display your login, which is the account number and a password. Save these credentials in a secure place in case you need to relog later. Finish up by tapping Done or Start. Your new demo account opens right away, and you'll land on the quotes and charts screens where you can place practice trades, explore indicators, and get familiar with order types. You can always return to Manage Accounts or Settings to switch accounts or create another demo if you want to reset your balance. That's it. You now have a fully functional Metatrader 5 demo account on your phone, ready for safe, hands-on learning.